Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video we will learn how can we know the angle of projection of our current sheet and how can we change the angle of projection of our sheet of our current drawing, or how can we set the default angle of projection of for our software for future use. Okay, so first, this is our drawing. So go to here sheet, just right click on it and then go to properties. So under the properties here you can see that type of projection. Currently the angle of projection for this sheet is first angle of projection, and if you want to change this to third angle of projection, just select this third angle of projection and apply. Now you can see that all the sketch are modified and now it's in third angle projection. Okay, so in this way you can change the angle of projection of your current sheet. But if you want to change the angle of projection, like the default angle of projection, then go to option and here select the option. So under the system option, click on display, and then at the bottom you can see that by default angle of projection is first angle of projection, and if you will select third angle of projection then set OK. So now you have by default select the angle of projection is third angle of projection. So in this way you can change the current sheet angle of projection and you can change the default angle of projection of your system. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.